Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2017 to 2019 Audi A4 and S4? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Driver/front passenger fuse box. Passenger compartment fuse box, left side. In the 2009 to 2012 Audi Q5, manages and protects circuits for interior components such as the infotainment system, power seats, climate control, lighting, and various dashboard electronics, ensuring safe and efficient operation. The driver's front passenger's footwell fuse box in 2018 to 2019, Audi A4 and S4 manages essential interior functions. It powers the climate control panel, infotainment system, and instrument cluster, while also supplying electricity to comfort features like heated seats or steering wheel and the OBD2 diagnostic port for system checks. Driver's side cockpit fuse box. The driver's side cockpit fuse box in the 2017 Audi A4 and S4 manages essential systems such as the light switch, headlight range control, and steering column electronics. The driver's side cockpit fuse box in the 2018 to 2019 Audi A4 and S4 controls lighting, steering electronics, ignition, rain light sensors, and key dashboard functions. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2017 Audi A4 and S4 is located behind the right side trim panel in the trunk and power systems like trailer hitch control, rear lighting, and multimedia components. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2018 to 2019 Audi A4 and S4 is located behind the right side trim panel in the trunk and supplies power to rear lights, trailer hitch module, multimedia system, and other rear electrical components. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.